Demand for Bharat Ratna to RSS founder. BJP Minority Morcha's appeal to the centre. Big push for Bharat Ratna to KV Hedgewar. 100 years of BJP's ideological mentor. Modi's mega tribute to the Sangh today. Prime Minister Modi began political career as a RSS worker, and now we're learning that the BJP's Minority Morcha has appealed to the centre for Bharat Ratna to be given to KV Hedgewar, who is the founder of RSS. Remember, this also coincides with the 100 years of RSS, who is the BJP's ideological mentor, and Prime Minister Modi's mega tribute to RSS is also scheduled today. My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us with more details on this. Piyush, BJP's Minority Morcha has appealed to the centre for Bharat Ratna to Hedgewar, the founder of RSS, which also coincides with the centenary celebrations of the RSS.
Well, absolutely. Today, centenary celebrations of RSS are taking place in the national capital at Delhi's Ambedkar International Center at Janpath Road, where Narendra Modi will also be participating. In fact, he is going to be the chief guest in that particular event. And today, when Prime Minister will take part in this event, there is also a program of release of commemorative postal stamp and coin, highlighting the achievements of RSS and also the contribution which RSS has made in the development of this nation. So it's going to be a mega day highlighting the achievements of RSS. For around 1 hour, the event will take place at Delhi's Ambedkar International Center. Remember that on the day when this program is taking place, BJP's Minority Morcha chief Jamal Siddiqui has written a letter to President of India demanding that RSS founder Hedgewar should be conferred with Bharat Ratna. In his letter to President, Jamal Siddiqui has said that Hedgewar has done a lot of things for the development of society. He has contributed a lot. The independence struggle was also there, which RSS leaders were involved in. So because of their efforts, a lot of changes were brought in the society, and that's why it's high time that when the nation is celebrating 100 years of RSS, it's high time that the founder should be conferred with Bharat Ratna. That's what the BJP Minority Morcha chief is saying. We'll have to wait and watch how the other political parties are going to react on this. But yes, a big demand coming in from BJP leader on the day when postal stamp and coin highlighting the achievements of RSS are going to be released.
All right, Piyush, thank you for those details. But do stay with us. We're getting some more breaking news.